My name is Shelby Phelps and I teach at Central High School. I've been a member now for 5 or 6 years. I feel like I maybe joined in 2019. So I haven't been a member since I started teaching, but I joined about halfway through my career. The best thing about ETA is our unity. I've formed a lot of valuable relationships, both professionally and personally, just because we're all educators with the same goal in mind, which is to educate students to the best of our abilities. And so having everybody in one space, in one organization, has really enriched my practice. If you have a passion for teaching, if you value the profession of education, if you value making a difference in the lives of students and teachers, then ETA is for you.